Welcome to Study Loop.
We need to find what this force is at the point D whenever this length A is equal to 6 meters. So we're going to start the question by writing out equations for the length y of d. So we know that y of d is equal to the length c times the hyperbolic cosine of the length A divided by c. And we also know that y of d is equal to the length c plus the length h. So we can take these two equations and we can equate them and plug in h and plug in a. So we have c plus h is equal to c times the hyperbolic cosine of a divided by c. And we can plug in a and we can plug in h and solve for the unknown term c. So we plug in h, which we know is 4, as given by the problem. And then we can plug in a since it's given as 6. And we take this equation, solve it for c, and we'll get a value of 5.0539 meters. And we take this value of c, and we can plug it into this term here. And since we know what h is, we can then find what the length y of d is. So y of d is equal to the length c plus the length h, which is given us 4. And this will give us a length of 9.054 meters. So now we can write that the force is equal to the weight per unit length of the cable times the length y of d, which is also equal to the mass per unit length times the acceleration due to gravity times y of d. So we take the mass per unit length, which is given as 2, times the acceleration due to gravity, and then times the length y of d. And this will give us a force that's equal to 178 newtons.